Hello everybody. Today we are going to understand what could be the criteria of a good research problem and what could be the component of writing a good research statement. A good problem statement begins by introducing the broad area in which your research is centered, gradually leading the reader to the more specific issues you are investigating. The statement need not be lengthy, but a good research problem should incorporate all the required features. The criteria of a good research problem: the problem needs to be clear and unambiguous. Means by reading the problem, reader can understand what is the objective of the research. It should be based on empirical, means the objective needs to be identified based on the empirical parameters. The problem should be verifiable, means the answer or outcome can be verified with the others research or the results. Interesting and interesting research problem attract the attention of researchers and other people to conduct the research project even without incentive or research grant at all. So the objective should be a interesting one. Novel and original. Though replicability in conducting research is allowed, it is advisable that a research that a research problem is something novel, original, and unique to attract the attention of people and contribute to the economic development of the country. And last one, availability of guidance. The objective or problem must be such that in case of requirement, someone or somewhere, we can get the guidance or help in completing the objective. Defining the problem, research in clear-cut research objective. The clear-cut objective can be defined if you can detect the symptom of a problem. Analysis of the situation. If you analyze the situation in which the problem arises, or the situation reason being the problem arises, then it will help you in writing clear cut research objective. Problem definition. The problem definition can be get if you can analyze the component of the symptoms, analyze the situation, then you can get or detect the actual problem of a system. Statement of research objective. After identifying the problem and defining the problem, you can write the statement of research objective. Establishing or establishment of research objective. Research objectives are the specific component of research problem that you will be working to answer or complete in order to answer the overall research problem. The objective refers to the questions to be answered through the study or research. They indicate what we are trying to get from the study or the expected outcome or results from the study. Establishment of research objective is very important. It should be based on research objective and should be clear and achievable as they directly assist in answering the research problem. The objective may be specified in the form of either statements or questions. Generally, they are written as statements using the word to, for example, to discover, to determine, to establish, etc. Now, question arises, what makes a good research statement? The problem chosen should be one that motivates you to address it, but simply curiosity is not a good enough reason to pursue a research study because this doesn't indicate significance. The problem that you choose to explore must be important to you, but it must also be viewed as important by your readers and to the larger academic and or social community that could be impacted by the results of your study. Support multiple perspectives. The problem must be phrased in a way that avoids dichotomies and instead support the generation and exploration of multiple perspectives. A general rule of thumb in the social science is that a good research problem is one that would generate a variety of viewpoints from a composite audience made up of reasonable people. Researchability. This is not a real word, but it represents an important aspect of creating a good research statement. It seems a bit obvious, but you don't want to find yourself in the midst of investigating a complex research project and realize that you don't have enough prior research to draw from your analysis. There is nothing inherently wrong with original research, but you must choose research problems that can be supported in some way by the researchers available to you. Thank you. Other previous lectures you can find in description box of the video. Thank you.